This is the Prex Tex Christmas train set. And it also has a carrying handle too. So these are all the pieces you're gonna receive. And it doesn't come with batteries, so you're gonna have to put in 3 AA batteries, which we already have done so. And here is the train caboose. And then here's another one, and it also has removable presents. And it even says Merry Christmas, and you just put it like that together. And then here is another set, and looks like this might be coal. So we just attach that like that, and there you go. And if you want, you can also interchange them, so you can have them just like this as well. So now let's set up the train tracks. And it also comes with these trees too. How cute is that? Love it. And then there's also a couple of cactuses as well. And now let's set up the train. So you're going to be receiving 4 of these tracks, as well as 4 of these. 4 of these tracks as well. And also these, which are going to hold the plants in place. Perfect. And this is so easy to do. Even little ones can do it as well. So let's start putting these together. And all you have to do is interlock them just like this. And that's how easy it is to put together. So let's make it into a circle. This is so fun. I cannot wait for our grandson to come over and play this. He's gonna love it. Oh my goodness. These are very easy for little ones to put together, as well as adults too. Okay, we're all set up, and now let's push start and let's see it go. Woo! How cute is this? How awesome is this? And it even has sound and sings. Perfect. I was sent this from Prex Tex, and I absolutely love it. I know we're going to be using this time and time every year. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.